The producers and distributors of Tech AV Technical Training Aids welcome you to this program in the series Automotive Electrical Maintenance. This is program number 3 in this series, in which we're going to describe and demonstrate typical procedures for dismantling and reassembling a typical 12-volt pre-engaged type starter motor. Please note that testing of components and parts renewal procedures will be dealt with in the following program. In this program, we shall demonstrate 3 topics, namely dismantling, cleaning, and assembling. Let us begin now as we set up our starter unit for a dismantling procedure. Supporting the unit as shown, we begin by removing the brush cover strap. Once removed, we have reasonable access to the brushes. Note that some starter motors do not feature an inspection cover. It is wise to create alignment marks to aid in the reassembling procedure later on. The motor link connection is next removed. Once this is removed, the solenoid can be detached and removed from the assembly. In order to release some solenoid plungers, the shifter fork pivot pin will have to be removed. On this starter, the pivot pin is threaded and must be removed as demonstrated, and then the solenoid plunger is removed. Moving next to the brushes, on this unit we can release the brushes from their holders. To perform this task, a hooked tool and a pair of long-nosed pliers will greatly assist. The technique is to raise the brush spring carefully using the hook tool and then slip out the brush. Each brush is removed and left hanging through the inspection slots as shown. Next, we can begin the main separation by slackening and then withdrawing the 2 through bolts. The body must now be supported and carefully withdrawn. It is important to maintain support of the components, especially the armature, at this time, as we don't want it being damaged by a fall. The armature, along with the shifter fork, is now withdrawn from the drive end bracket. All parts removed ideally should be placed into a washing tray. The final dismantling step is to separate the commutator end plate from the field casing. The completely dismantled unit is now ready to be cleaned, which we shall attend to after the break.